This is the R+Co Pomade Stick, and it is for your hair. It almost looks like a miniature like deodorant or like a really big chapstick. Like I feel like that's the sizes that it's in between and like the style that the packaging is. But anyways, it's like a wax stick almost, and it's used for flyaways. So I use this almost on the daily, no matter what hairstyle I'm wearing, because if I'm wearing my hairstyle down, then even by my part, I have so many flyaways, and I just rub this on my flyaways, and it really easily tames them and allows them to calm down and just blend in with the rest of my hair. But it doesn't make them feel crunchy, which I really like, because I feel like hairspray makes my hair feel hard or crunchy or like just kind of gross. But since this has a more of a wax like feel to it, or like finish, it just blends in really nicely. And then if I wear my hair slicked back, I also like to use this because, again, it doesn't feel like my hair is brick hard and crunchy, but it just almost feels like it's hydrating my hair in a way too, but holds it really well. So I would highly recommend this pomade stick.